Hi, welcome to our needs assess. Nope, I don't know why we have it as needs. Hello, and welcome to our technology proposal presented by Hilda, Jessica, Justine, Nairi, and Daphne. So we started our technology proposal by first looking at our LCAP goals. Within the 5 school districts that our group works in, 2 of our schools had an LCAP goal to increase college and career readiness. In the Anaheim Unified High School District, the LCAP goal stated all students will demonstrate college, career, and life readiness and success. In the Capistrano Unified School District, the LCAP stated engage students in meaningful, challenging, and innovative and educational experiences to increase post-secondary options for all students.
By doing this, we first started with a needs assessment using Google Form questionnaire surveys. Were sent out randomly selected students, parents, teachers, and administrators within 5 different school districts. Questions were regarding the random stakeholders' feelings and attitudes towards college and career options. The results of this needs assessment were showed that teachers didn't have resources to prepare students for post-secondary education. The middle schools had similar LCAP goals, which state a need for college and career readiness.
So our technology proposal was to provide every middle school student with a college and career readiness program called Naviance. This will be used to engage all students through various lessons and programs. It costs around $2.30 per person with a minimum of 1,000 students, so that would be around $2,300. And then if you have an add-on, that would be an additional charge between $1.05 and $2.50 per student. We need to purchase a software license annually, and our proposal is to have a 3-year implementation of this program. On the next slide, we have a little tutorial of Naviance and just the types of resources that it gives our students. So it has college and career information available. And students have shown studies have shown that students who use Naviance had a high rate of applying to college.
So Conan and Sol discuss the importance of teaching students to seek information intentionally and purposefully online. Because students can be stuck in a bubble where educators will manage and control what students read and write in school. This can cause them to be unprepared for the demands of an adult life. And then Jacobs and Kosick emphasize digital problem solving and an individual's ability to be able to use multiple digital resources to accomplish various goals. Digital technology is an integral part of our daily lives. So it's important to be able to collect information and make appropriate decisions from the different digital resources one encounters.
Okay, so this is the implementation portion. And for this part, we will be having 6th and 7th graders would be taught monthly lessons on topics such as learning styles using the Naviance program. A mandatory elective would be added to the 8th graders' student schedules that incorporates the utilization of Naviance. This would be a 1-semester class which focuses on career exploration in colleges. So the final college and career research project will look at job outlook, transportation, and the financial aspect of college and career. For this research project, the students will be using Google Slides, Prezi, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Kahoot. So the next portion is the management portion. So the 6th and the 8th graders, teachers would be trained on how to utilize the Naviance program. And for the college and career research project, we would incorporate the core classes plus with the college and career exploration classes. For example, we would incorporate math class with the engineering field, science with the medical field, and English with journalism.
In order to evaluate Naviance, students will take a pre-test and post-test in 8th grade to determine if the program has taught them about college and career readiness. This will also explain if they were satisfied with functionality and ease of the program. Teachers will also be given a survey to assess the effectiveness of Naviance. Last but not least, we have our reference page.